Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe or tip. VRoid Studio version 1.12 was just released. Summer presets. In addition to some bug fixes, they added 7 clothing presets and 7 hair presets. Clothing presets form 4 whole outfit presets which can be found under whole sets. The clothes consist of 1 top, 1 pants, 3 dresses and 2 pairs of shoes. There are 5 overall hair presets. There is 1 extensions preset. There is 1 back hair preset, the one with 2 long braids. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe or tip.